Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today's 2-minute tip is a quick gift you can give your child's teacher to start out the school year. I'm calling it a teacher self-care kit. Let's get started. In this kit I have very basic things to just give a little bit of joy and self-care to the teachers who work very hard during the school year. We've got sanitizer in the back, some raisins, some candy, some money for the vending machine, eye drops, breath mints, Tootsie Rolls, one of those little tiny cups you can spit with for brushing your teeth, but I've got it here for her to use water with some Advil. This is pre-packed Advil in case she gets a headache, and some Tums. Also have some hand cream, a K-cup, and some chamomile tea. And then I have some little notepads here, some sticky notes. She can write quotes throughout the year that her students say. If you want, you can do what we did and put little comments on the beginning of each one, just some little encouragements. All of this was found at the Dollar Tree. Very easy to put together. Overall, this cost about $10 to $12 to be able to give them a good beginning of the year gift, but this is something that will let them know that you are appreciative of them, thinking of them, praying for them as the school year begins. And as a former teacher, I can tell you right now that this is an absolute dream gift that I would have received at the beginning of the year. It would have put me in an awesome frame of mind to start the year. And then it just closes up really easily like a tackle box, and because it's so colorful, you don't even have to wrap it. And you can get sticky labels at the Dollar Tree. I hope you've enjoyed this 2-minute tip. Until next time, wishing you and your child's teacher lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.